Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Calendar. It's Monday. Let's take a look. It is Monday, November the 9th. We've made it to Monday, November the 9th. Ooh, do you remember how to spell Monday? It is a name of the week. Monday. What does that spell? Monday. Monday. It is Monday. We've made it to the second week in November. It's so crazy. Time goes so fast. Oh my goodness. Speaking of time, today is Monday. Let's show some time today. Ooh, let's see. If I show this time, what time is it? Did you say 10 o'clock? It is 10 o'clock. Oh, let's see. What if I show this time? Did you say 3 o'clock? Ooh. Okay, this time, let's draw our own time. What if we wanted to show 5 o'clock? If I wanted to show 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. I would need my minute hand all the way up at the 12. 5 o'clock. Where would my hour hand go? Did you say 5? That shorter hand? You're right. Let's check it with mine. Big analog one. Do they look the same? They do. Great job. That is 5 o'clock. On a digital clock, remember we start with our hour. So if it is 5 o'clock means the top of the hour, that means 0 minutes have passed. 0, 5 o'clock. Nice job. All right. It is 5 o'clock on there. Today's number, if I move us over, our number is 11. If we do our number today as 11, can you think of a way that we could do 11? Ooh, there is one specific one I really wonder if you thought of, because 11, we're getting into some parts that have 10 and some more. With those T numbers, what would we say? 11 has 1 10, so that first part would be like 10, right? That is the same as a group of 10. And how many ones? 1 10, 1. Yeah, that would be the same as 10 plus 1, right? If I move this over to our 10 and hopped one more, would it get me to 11? Because I have to come all the way down. Yeah, there it is. It would get me all the way down there. 10 and 1. That would be the one that I would think everybody would be able to know quickly as two parts that make up the number 11. There might be some other parts that you could think of. We could say 9 and 2, 7 and 4, 8 and 3, 6 and 5. Yeah, those are all parts. 10 and 1 would be one that I would want you guys to remember pretty quickly. So, okay, 11 is our number. Does 11 have 10 less? Let's think about where that happens on our chart. Here's 11. Is there a number above it that's 10 less? There is. Oh, let's take a peek. What is it? What do you think? Did you say 1? Right, if we know 11 is 10 and 1 more, if we take away that 10, 1 is left. 10 less is our 1. Ooh. What would 10 more be then? If I added another group of 10 here, 10 and 10. Did you say 20? It would be 2 tens, which would be 20. But then I still have 1 1. Let's see if 21 is our number. I have 10 more. Did we figure it out? We did. 10 more is 21. Okay, so let's check. 11. Did we just say what was 1 less? We sure did. We just said 10 was 1 less. Oh, so what would 1 more be? What would 1 more be? 10, 11. Did you say 12? Now I want you to be careful because check out. These are numbers that we get confused. 21, that 2 comes first because there's 2 tens. 12 is one of those teen numbers, right? The 1 comes first. There's 1 10. We got to be careful with those numbers. Let's check and make sure we were right. Is 12 1 more? It sure is. Nice work. Okay. I have something new for us. We're going to start looking at some money. You should have a page that has a piggy bank on it. You should see a page that has a piggy bank like this. Now, I have some coins that I can put on here, but I also want to show you, you can draw to represent the coins when we talk about how much we want to show. For example, let's learn all the coins first. Do you know what this coin is? It is a penny. Penny. Now, you ready? This is how I remember a penny. I say, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. So that one helps you remember. The brown one is the penny and it's worth 1 cent. Now the next one, you'll see this one's a little bit bigger than the penny. A little bit bigger than the penny. This one's the nickel. The nickel. And let me show you, because mine don't have all the sides. But check this out. This has both sides of a penny. Oh, and look, I even showed I can draw by showing 1, because I know it's 1 cent, or write a P for a penny so that I know. Here's the front of a penny and the back of a penny. Then we have our nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. So there's the nickel. This one's showing the back side of the nickel. It is worth 5 cents, or the end that starts nickel, or we could write a 5 to show when we're drawing. Ooh, do you know this one? It is the dime. Even though a dime is worth more than a penny, it's actually a little bit smaller. It's tricky, tricky. It's the smallest of our silver coins. Then we say, dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. It is worth 10 cents, or the D to show dime if we draw to represent. The last coin that we're going to learn about is the quarter. I bet you guys have asked for quarters when you've gone somewhere that maybe has a gumball machine or a toy machine where you have to put the quarters in and turn it around. Quarters are what you use, or if you go to an arcade and play the game, you need a quarter. For a quarter, because it is the biggest coin that we see most of the time. There is another coin that's bigger than a quarter, but we don't see it very often. For a quarter, we say, quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. So for the quarter, it is worth 25 cents, or we can write a Q to show quarter. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice showing some amounts. We're going to build up and work and get our brain going. So if we wanted to show a number, if I wanted to show the number 1 with money, can you think of a coin that's worth 1? Did you say a penny? Yeah, yeah, we would put a penny. You could represent that. You could, for you, because you don't have my coins, you can draw a circle. You can choose to write a 1 in it to show that it's worth 1 cent. You know you need the coin worth 1 cent. Or you could write, Stu's brain quit working. Which direction to write a P? A P for penny. Either way would work because we only need one penny to show 1 cent. So you could write the P for penny. I like to write the number so I remember and don't get confused. That I know that's a penny. I need the penny there. 1 cent. We'll try some more money tomorrow. Nice job. Okay, let's take a look at our days that we've been in school. On Friday, we'd been in school for 45 days. That means there were 4 tens, 5 ones. How many am I going to add today? 1 more. Good. 1 more. So if I have 5 and I add 1 more, how many 1s should I have then? Did you say 6? Let's see. 5. 1 more is 6. Did our bundles of 10 change? They didn't. You're right. So we still have 4 10s and 6 1s. So 45 plus 1 more equals 46. Very good. It does. It equals 46. I have 45. If I put 1 more leaf, we now have 46 days of first grade. All right. Great work today. I'm looking forward to doing some more money with you tomorrow.